Let's talk about Usar, and we're going to talk about MP materials. I think people are people forget, right? Have short-term memory. They forget so fast how valuable both of these companies are. We have been tanking from highs. Yes, I get it. I get that Usar, jumped to $32, a high of 43, and then came back down nice and cheap here. Same thing with MP materials. MP hit 100 and down it went. So they the play is the same. The play is the same. Nothing has changed about these companies. We need the rare earth materials. So this is a discount. A huge discount, by the way. And it's been going sideways down here under $20. So I think it's a buy and accumulate for the bull run. That's what it is. And if you get a nice pump here, like it did here to 32, I mean, more power to you. That's almost 100% return. If you're dollar cost averaging, you shouldn't even be concerned. And if you're buying under the purple line, it's always been a moneymaker. You can see every single time it's come under the purple line, always rallies back up above it, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, literally rinse and repeat. We need the rare earth materials. We just do. We need it because we don't got it. Not much of it like China. And that's it's that simple. This is a buy. Sell targets of 32 and 50 for longer term. I mean, you can flip it if you want. It's been a good stock to flip as well. Like you can just buy it under the purple line and then flip it real quick over and over again. You can also do that and just abuse the fact that it just goes sideways along the purple line. MP materials, let's go with that one. MP, let's zoom in. MP is yeah, pretty much doing the exact same thing. Went to a high of 100. I think we timed that when we were chasing. Very dangerous that we did that. But yeah, it came down to the purple line. Surprise, surprise. When it comes down to the purple line, it can give you a fat discount, 50% off. Usually is the case, depending on the stock and the strength of the stock. Usually semiconductors only come down like 20 to 30%. But MP materials, it's at 50, and you can see it's just sideways here. It's just sideways. So it's under the purple line. It's the exact same setup. The exact same setup. You can buy either or. It's up to you. USAR being cheaper, probably better for most. MP, because it does have the government backing, it would be safer, technically speaking, because it is being backed by the government, right? So that's something to keep in mind there. Or maybe wait, isn't USAR backed by the government as well? If I recall, I think I remember now. Maybe I don't recall. Let me see. Unless something has changed here. Let me look at the news. Price target cuts. Price target cuts. And that guy has a 17% win rate. Get out of here. Yeah, people have short term memory. This thing was at 100, now it's at 50. Nobody's thinking about who's talking about rare earth elements right now. Who is? Nobody is, right? Quantum stocks. Who's talking about quantum stocks right now? Ever since the war started, people have been talking about defense stocks, right? And Palantir and the many other ones out there. And energy, gold, oil, right? Like nobody's talking about quantum stocks. Nobody's talking about robotic stocks. Nobody's talking about VR stocks. Nobody's talking about rare earth elements, etc., etc. So there's a lot of sectors right now that are being slept on, and this is when you want to buy it, when no one wants it, when everyone's sleeping on it, when it's just so cheap, and people are so focused on every other sector that they're putting their money elsewhere, and then in the future they're going to be like, oh yeah, I forgot about MP materials. Oh, I forgot about Usar. I forgot about the whole rare earth element play. I forgot about this other side of the market. Like, whoa, let's jump into that. Wait, it's got news. Woo! It's just gonna get so much cash, money, volume, whatever you want to call it, piling into MP and Usar. They're gonna run together. Usually the case. So again, it doesn't matter which one you jump into, but yeah, when that hype comes around, it's going to get a huge pump, and I think there's potential here for 50 to 100% on both, despite the how high the share price is specifically for MP. I mean, quantum stocks are the same way. The exact same way. Nobody's talking about quantum stocks, and then the hype's gonna come back into the quantum sector, and everyone's gonna buy up, and it's gonna go, kaboom. And if you're buying right now while everything's cheap, you're gonna make a lot of money. So that's all I gotta say with regards to USAR and MP. Pretty simple play. You don't have to overthink it here. Sell target of 75 to 100 for MP materials.